Welcome to Product Critique. Today, we're taking a closer look at what many consider the best silicone bracelet set available on the market. The JUNEBRUSHS 64-piece motivational quote silicone bracelets. Whether you're looking for an inspiring accessory for yourself, gifts for friends, or party favors that truly stand out, this collection promises a vibrant and meaningful solution. Right out of the box, you receive 64 silicone bracelets featuring 16 unique motivational designs. Each design is represented 4 times, giving you plenty of variety and quantity to meet different needs or occasions. The colors are bright and cheerful, ensuring that these wristbands will catch the eye and add a splash of positivity wherever they're worn. The material is high-quality natural silicone, known for being soft, flexible, and durable. These bracelets have just the right thickness and elasticity, so they're sturdy without being uncomfortable or prone to breaking. They stretch enough to fit most wrists comfortably, making them a versatile choice for adults and teens alike. Measuring approximately 8 inches in length with a width of just under half an inch, the bracelets fit well on a variety of wrist sizes. The design is simple yet effective. Each wristband is printed with an uplifting motivational quote such as, "I am brave," "Anything is possible," "I am kind," and "Make it happen." These positive messages are a great way to encourage yourself or others throughout the day. What makes this product truly stand out is its versatility. These bracelets are suitable for a wide range of uses and environments. Whether it's at school, the office, sports events, parties, or outdoor activities, these motivational wristbands add a meaningful touch. They are also perfect as gifts for birthdays, graduations, holidays, or as rewards and team spirit boosters. The water-resistant silicone material means you don't have to worry about wearing them during workouts, outdoor play, or even in the rain. This adds to their practicality, ensuring they remain a long-lasting reminder of positivity and encouragement. The set's variety makes it especially useful for group settings, where each person can choose a bracelet that resonates with them personally. This not only fosters a sense of belonging but also spreads a positive message that can uplift and inspire communities. In summary, the JUNEBRUSHS 64-piece motivational quote silicone bracelets combine quality, quantity, and meaningful design into one affordable package. Whether you want to brighten up your day or share motivation with others, these wristbands provide an excellent way to do so. If you're looking for durable, colorful, and inspiring bracelets that fit most wrists and suit any occasion, this set is definitely worth considering. Thanks for watching Product Critique. If you found this review helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more honest product reviews. See you in the next video.